Here's Glowify App AI hairstyle try-on haircut filter color changer. Quite trending app. Transform your look with AI. Say hello to Glowify. Want to see yourself in a whole new light? Glowify is your ultimate AI-powered photo editor designed to help you explore a variety of stunning hairstyles, vibrant hair color, flawless makeup looks, chic outfits, and more. So here you can see hair color changer, hairstyles with face shape, color analysis, and then you can just see in here. So let's just double click to install in here. Transform your look with AI. Say hello to Glowify. Why you love it. So let's just open it up. You can see $10 per week. And then this AI face analysis, analyze AI outfit, mine account, and that's it. There are no referral codes, but so yeah, you can see. Let's just select it. You can select man even. So let's just let's select, for example, and then you need to upload your photo to see hairstyle. How to choose photo. And then it just starts creating your look. So you can have this. So yeah, it's a funny. So that's basically what you have. But yeah, so that's kind of the idea. And and then you can just upgrade. But yeah, have fun. I would say it's one of the best hair AI apps out there because there are a lot of these AI hair apps, but they were all not that good. This one seems to be better.